This question is asking, compute the difference of 9,875 and 949. These are going to be subtracted from one another. 9,875 minus 949. So now that I've got them lined up, I'm going to subtract. This 5 is going to borrow 1 from the 7, so it's going to make it 15, making this 6. 15 minus 9 gives me 6. Now 6 minus 4, 4 can be subtracted from 6, and it's going to give us 2. 9 cannot be subtracted from 8, so I'm going to have to borrow from the next number over, making this an 8 and making this an 18. 18 minus 9 is going to give us 9. And since nothing is being subtracted from 8, we just bring the 8 down. So there you have it. 9,875 subtracted by 949 is going to give us the final answer of 8,926. This question is asking, find 845 less than 1,023. What we're going to do is we're going to line up 1,023 and it's going to be subtracted by 845. So now that we got it lined up, we're just going to be doing simple subtraction. 3 subtracted by 5 is going to give us 8. This because we borrowed from here, this becomes a 1. 1 subtracted by 4 is going to give us 7. We borrowed from here, so this is a 9. 9 minus 8 gives us 1. So 1,023 subtracted by 845 would give us 178. So 178 is our final answer. This question is asking, 901 is decreased by 54. If you subtract 279 from the result, what do you get? So let's look at the first part of this question. 901 is decreased by 54. 901 is going to be subtracted by 54. 1 minus 4 is going to give us 7. 9 minus 5 is going to give us 4. And we're left with 847. So 901 subtracted by 54 is going to give us 847. Now that we got the result of 901 decreased by 54, we're going to subtract 279 from the result, which is 847. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 279 below 847 and subtract it. So 847 subtracted by 279 is going to give us, this is going to be 8, 3, this is going to give us 6, 7, and this is going to give us 5. So 847 subtracted by 279 is going to give us 568. And this number is our final answer.